For more awesome content, head to ystech.org, link in the description. This little cheap gadget is probably one of the handiest devices that I have. Costing around 40 New Zealand dollars brand new from AliExpress, it comes with the device itself, a charging cable which is micro USB, 3 rolls of paper, and 3 rolls of adhesive back paper. Not too bad value considering that second-hand thermal printers in New Zealand are quite expensive and can run upwards of $40 New Zealand. Setup isn't too difficult. For myself, it was pretty easy to connect to my phone. I downloaded the app from the Play Store on Android, made an account. I believe the app is also available on iOS from the App Store and it's called iPrint on Android and both iPhone, iOS. I opened up the printing tray, inserted a roll of paper, and unrolled a bit of it to the top. Closed it up, turned the device on, which shows a blue indicator LED on the side, and finally connecting it to the device via the app. It was all surprisingly seamless. This is where I get to the downsides. The problem with this Pocket thermal printer is that you can only use it with your phone. As far as I know, it will not work with a PC. The other problem that I can see is that it's micro USB, but for myself, I'm not too bothered by that. The other negative on my unit is that the inbuilt cutting edge doesn't cut on the adhesive back, and I need to use scissors to cut it off. Luckily, this device is pretty much saved in my opinion by its printing capability. It's a thermal printer, meaning it doesn't need ink, so it's a huge positive. The app is also very intuitive and easy to use, pretty much guiding you through basically step by step on how to use the app. The app's editing software is also pretty customizable, so you can print text or even some cool mini photos, and you can make it as long or as little as you like. The quality of it isn't too bad as well. The photos come out pretty decent, especially for a mini thermal printer, and the text is pretty good. You can even set if you want to have it high quality or low quality if you'd like to save a little bit of the printer's lifetime. So, who would I recommend this for? I think the best use case scenario is if you own your own small business online and you need to print out labels occasionally. Alternatively, if you need to print out receipts on the go for customers. Lastly, if you want to label some stuff for organization, although there are cheaper label makers that can do the same, it is a pretty decent overall solution considering that you can put photos on it as well. At the end of the day, if you are a small business owner online, or if you're a casual seller online who only sells occasionally, this could be a cheap way to make sending items a bit more efficient instead of writing people's names onto every single bag. That about sums it up. Check out ystech.org for some more awesome technology content. But other than that, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!